Albania is one of the countries in Europe with the youngest population, yet their huge potential is largely untapped in terms of economic development and growth. Rural youth fare considerably worse in terms of employment opportunities and services. Over the past 6 years, UNDP has supported several youth employment programs in some of the most disadvantaged regions in northern Albania. Beyond policy-level intervention, in close collaboration with the Ministry of Social Welfare and Youth, UNDP is currently looking into testing small, low-cost experiments alongside investing time and resources in lengthier projects, limiting the implementation window from several years to only a couple of months allows for assessing immediately if tangible results can be achieved. UNDP invited FutureGov, a UK company that works closely with local authorities to improve public services. Since the FutureGov's approach focuses on the end-user perspective, it was interesting for UNDP to explore solving youth employment problems starting from the youth themselves. Our starting question was, how might we support young people in rural areas in building their careers? To attempt to answer this question, we followed FutureGov's methodology that included thorough user-centered research, followed by a design process, with the aim of developing a testable prototype. We went to 2 different rural locations to capture geographical and economic diversity and opportunities that they offer in terms of youth employment. Our motto was, for great ideas, go deep, not wide. In order to get closest to the employment challenges of youth, we did in-depth interviews combined with people shadowing. Agro-businesses in these regions don't generate enough employment opportunities for youth. Parents have the best intentions when giving advice to their children, but often they do that without considering the child's potential talents and interests. Employment in the agricultural sector is almost never an option that youth would want to consider. Schooling provides a false safety because it doesn't prepare for the work reality sufficiently. Young people lack inspiration and role models. They're not nudged by their parents or teachers to explore their own interests and discover their unique skills. Once we returned from the field, the research team, staff of the ministry and the National Employment Service convened to analyze the problem. We brainstormed ideas and developed prototypes that captured several of the barriers that youth face. One of the prototypes was the online portal that provided youth with information on specific career options, labor market information and prospects, and youth role models. Both the UNDP and the Ministry are moving to the next phase, product development.